check the trailer tire pressure?
Yeah, I checked yesterday.
It made so much tire smoke. MG. Looks like the Tesla's too heavy for this trailer. So we decided to unload the car. Alright, see you Kale at the track. Alright, he's gonna drive the Tesla. We're gonna drive this trailer without the one tire and wheel. Should be good. Subdue speed. I love your white BBS. It's good. So we're back at the Buttonwillow Raceway with Tesla Model 3. And this time we're towing the car so that we have maximum charge and brand new tire. So we can test that kind of condition. But as you see, now the car is getting supercharged. We got here first. And the car's almost here, so we're gonna keep testing, but it's not gonna be the ideal condition with the brand new tire and a fully charged situation. But still, hopefully we can do a better time than last time. So actually, we came straight from the supercharger and charging with the RV plug. So try to get a max out for the first and the last lap. One chance. So coming into this testing, we changed a few things. Main thing is this Vortex wing, and also we got the Titan 7 Die Edition TS5 and a brand new tire. So I mean, it's not much difference from the last testing, but still we'll hope to see the big difference. So we'll find out in the next 20 minutes. About time! Good? Alright, so I think we got our best time so far. It's 52.9 with the street tire. So the car made maybe like a second and a half quicker than previous testing. So it was really good. And also unofficially, I think that this is the street tire Tesla record on this track, unofficially. So we're really happy about it. Again, we had a little issue with the trailer and couldn't get the best out of it, but still we managed the best we could do in that situation. Alright, that was it. We had a little longevity test which only lasts 3 laps, so we gotta work on the cooling system, and then we're coming back again and try to go quicker. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please like and subscribe if you like this. We'll see you on the next video. じゃあねー。